faces here. We've been missing having such energy for some time here now, and because we just started the fall semester. It starts here in September onwards, so we are very happy to see you first of all, and welcome, merhaba, namaste to all of you. Well, I think Professor Khairuddin, our president, has already told you a lot about this school and its more than a century old heritage. We would like to pass on that to you, inshallah, if you wish to join us. And Mr. Vinu here, he's an expert on the affairs that you are really interested in. So yes, you can speak to him. Just wanted to know a little bit about you.